Bonk is on absolute fire right now. Now, guys, I remember doing videos on Bonk, man. It was probably January of 2023. It had 30x increased. Everybody was excited, and then, oh, Bonk died out. Well, think again. Bonk is back. Bonk is soaring, and traders are gearing up. Check this out. Traders are gearing up for another 28% gain. We're going to be talking about the price action. We're going to be talking about this expected gain, and we're also going to be talking about another Doge-based or dog-based meme coin that could do just as well in the near future, Dogeverse. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Claybro, and as you can see, we've got Bonk on the screen right now, and it has been performing beautifully over the last year, beautifully over the last 6 months, beautifully on any time frame that you guys look at, and it is up again on the day today. Bonk is currently up 6.5% on the day today as it is testing resistance levels, which is an excellent sign. If you pull back out to the annual chart, you can see that Bonk here tested this 24 point per coin level. It again tested it, broke through it slightly, tested it, and it is testing it again right now at the 25 point per coin mark, and this is a very bullish signal. Why? Because anytime you're trying to batter through that door, you're hitting it with a battering ram, hitting it with a battering ram, and so on, it's much more bullish if you're trying to break out of resistance than, of course, if the bears are trying to push down through support. So Bonk does have a lot of good signs moving forward. Just how good? I found an awesome article out on FX Street that says Bonk holders are gearing up for 28% gains in an uptrend. So let's talk about this real quick. Bonk broke out from its downward trend on April 20th, and since then, the meme coin has formed higher highs and higher lows, a very bullish signal. The speculative asset looks poised for nearly 28% gains as it continues climbing higher. Now, Bonk is currently priced around 23, as they wrote this article. It's priced at 25 points per coin right now. And the moving average convergence divergence, or the MACD, saw a crossover the MACD line above the signal line, a bullish sign for Bonk. So not only does it have technical indicators pointing towards bullishness, it also has price action and articles being written, all to form a bullish pattern. The on-balance volume indicator, climbing alongside the increase in Bonk price, is signaling increasing buying pressure. Now, this is an excellent indicator that Bonk could continue making gains and hopefully rip back up to these all-time highs very, very soon. Another token, this is still in the pre-sale stages, that has been doing extremely well to sell out nearly $1 million a day. Now, of course, when it first started, it was doing that $1 million a day mark, and it has come just slightly under that level after passing through $10 million. They're currently at $13.17 million raised, and if you guys find yourself interested in buying what could be the next Bonk, make sure you use the affiliate link in the description below. Now, it comes directly from the marketing company that is working with the Dogeverse team, so you don't have to worry about connecting to a scam website. Trust me when I tell you, there are massive amount of scam websites out there. If you don't believe me, go out and Google Dogeverse. First off, you're going to see this one, HTTP, not a secure website. You're going to come down a little bit. You're going to see all of these websites and articles being written that show you, I got to find one right here, Instagram, wrong Instagram account, Dogeverse or dogefriends.com. Yeah, no thank you. 150 followers on Facebook? I don't think so. You come down even further, dogeverse.link, dogeverse.us, dogeverse.life. You are going to get scammed because these guys are doing so well if you do not use the affiliate link that's in the description below. It's going to pull you up to the correct website, so you got nothing to worry about from there. Now, if you are interested in buying, one Ethereum is currently going to get you 9.6 million Dogeverse. USDT, 1,000 USDT, you're walking away with 3.27 million Dogeverse. But this is the beautiful thing, guys. It is multi-chain, multi-bridge technology. Not only can you buy on Ethereum, you can buy with BNB, Matic, Avalanche Base, and Solana. But you just can't buy with it. You're going to be able to bridge with it as well. This isn't a meme coin. This isn't just another Bonk. This isn't just another SHIB. This isn't just another Dogecoin. This has multi-bridge utility. When these guys are up and running, Utilizing superior bridging technology, Dogeverse is going to be seamlessly multi-chain in just a few clicks. Now, what does that mean? A lot of you guys might not know what bridging technology means. Normally, when you swap from one token to another, you're just simply moving from, for example, one Ethereum token to another Ethereum token. One Binance token to another Binance token, a Solana token to a Solana token, Base token to Base token, and so on. That's a swap. You're staying on the same blockchain and just swapping tokens. When you bridge, you are bridging from one blockchain here over to this one. And you can also swap tokens while you're doing that. But you are literally moving from the Solana blockchain over to the Ethereum blockchain, or Ethereum over to Avalanche, Avalanche to Base. Any combination of the top 6 blockchains outside of Bitcoin can be achieved through Dogeverse when these guys are up, running, and their roadmap has been met. So you're combining now the best of the meme coin world with these dog coins, and the best of the utility world with multi-chain bridges in combination, creating Dogeverse, what could be one of the best new coins to come out. Now, on top of all of that, you might not be interested in trading. The volatility just doesn't do it for you. Staking rewards are still 85% annual rewards on passive income. Guys, you're not going to get that anywhere else. I mean, you've got to take a chance in order to I guess, make 85% annualized income. But please be aware, this reward rate is dynamic, okay? So you're splitting the pie with people. And if the more and more people stake their Dogeverse, you're going to be splitting the pie with more and more people. So anytime that this number increases here, this reward rate is going to decrease because you're splitting the pie with more people. So the earlier you decide to stake, the more you're going to earn in terms of passive income. But guys, if you do have any questions about Dogeverse, please feel free to ask them in the comments below, or reach out to their Telegram group, reach out to them on X, see what they got going on. It says right here you can contact them and get an answer from a moderator on the Telegram group. Simple as that. Just click this button up here. If you want to check out their X, check out their X. I believe, I don't have it open right now, but they've got, I think, over 11, just open it, right? They've got, yeah, there you go. 12,000 followers now. So they are growing very, very quickly out on X. They are extremely active, hitting 2, 3, 4 posts in a single day. Dogeverse could be gearing up to be one of the best pre-sales we have seen in a long time. Let me know if you guys are interested in buying it down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.